Good morning, guys. So this morning you're going to be completing the Nearpod for reading because I'm out this morning. So remember, if you type a message in the stream or email me, I will not be able to respond because I'm going to be out this morning, but I will be back this afternoon for math. So I'm going to explain to you what you're going to do for your Nearpod during our normal synchronous reading time, okay? So you're going to check in with Miss Taylor. She should be in our Google Meet at around 8 o'clock. Remember, if she's not there exactly at 8, give her a few minutes, guys, and she will log in and greet you guys and go over again what you're supposed to be doing for it this morning. So for reading, you're going to open your Nearpod reading assignment in Google Classroom. This is what it's going to look like. Research, we're on step number 3. We look, we think, we write. You're going to start off by completing your morning warm-up like we always do. You're going to read this passage about chicken facts. After you read the passage, you're going to answer a question in the quiz. After you answer the question, you're going to go to the next slide. Again, we're going to go over our double IM research plan. You're going to review the video for the double IM chant. Then we're going to review paraphrasing, okay? You're going to go through and you're going to paraphrase one fact that you've already researched. Then you're going to answer all four of these questions. You should have researched all 4 of these questions. You're going to type and tell me what the answer is to all 4 of these questions that you should have already researched. And remember to please use complete sentences and make sure you have paraphrased the information that you've researched. After you've done that, you're going to complete this Flipgrid. And then at the very end, you're going to upload a picture of your scientist or inventor. Guys, please remember to complete this Nearpod thoroughly, okay? Please do not skip anything or just type one-word answers, okay? Make sure you fully complete this Nearpod, all right? I hope y'all enjoy step number 3 of your research. And again, I will see you guys this afternoon. And don't forget to turn your Nearpod, once you've fully completed it, into Google Classroom. I'll see y'all at math. Bye.